You're busy running a business. You don't have time to answer every single DM or email. What if you could clone yourself to handle support 24/7? Well, you kinda can. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a smart AI chatbot that answers customer questions while you focus on the big stuff. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is an AI chatbot? Think of it as your virtual assistant that never sleeps. It sits on your website, your Facebook page, even your Shopify store, and answers your customers' questions 24/7. Instantly. But here's the twist. Today's AI chatbots don't just spit out scripted answers. Tools like TDO, ManyChat, or Chatbase actually learn how to handle conversations naturally. It feels like a real person, only faster, cheaper, and always available. Why AI chatbots are a game changer for small businesses. Here's the truth. Big companies have full-time support teams. But you don't. That's where a chatbot becomes your MVP. Got a coffee shop? The bot can tell people your hours and location. Selling handmade jewelry online? It can answer questions about shipping or returns. Run a cleaning service? It can collect leads, give price estimates, and schedule appointments. And you don't need to pay someone to do it. It works while you sleep, while you're at your kid's soccer game, even on weekends. According to the HubSpot report, 82% of consumers expect an immediate response, especially via chat, when contacting businesses for sales or support. But only 16% of small businesses currently use chatbots, indicating a huge opportunity. Chatbot can handle up to 80% of common questions, reduce support costs by around 30%, and save millions globally. Okay, I know. What you're thinking. Aren't chatbots annoying? They can be, if you set them up the wrong way. The truth is, a well-designed chatbot doesn't feel robotic. It feels helpful. And here's the best part. You're totally in control. Want to sound warm and welcoming? Start with a friendly, "Hey there. Tired of answering the same questions?" Load in your most common FAQs. Need a human to jump in? The bot can hand off the convo seamlessly. It's not about replacing people. It's about giving your team the freedom to focus on real problems, while the bot handles the basic stuff. Let's break down some chatbot tools. The kind that are smart, affordable, and so easy to use. Even non-techies will feel like pros. Tool 1. TDO. If you run an e-commerce store or service-based website, this one's a gem. It has a free plan, an easy drag-and-drop builder. And it connects with Messenger, Instagram, and email, so your customer support never sleeps. Tool 2. Chatbase. Got a bunch of FAQs? Just upload them and boom! It builds a smart chatbot for you, powered by ChatGPT. Perfect for digital products or content-heavy websites. You get the brains of AI without writing a single line of code. Tool 3. ManyChat. If you're all about Instagram and Facebook marketing, this one's a powerhouse. You can automate DMs, reply to comments instantly, and create slick conversation flows that drive conversions. These tools combine powerful AI capabilities with user-friendly no-code interfaces. Whether you're selling products, offering services, or just want to engage your audience smarter, there's a chatbot platform here for you. If you're still answering every message yourself, it's time to stop. An AI chatbot isn't a luxury anymore. It's a smart move for small business owners who want freedom, growth, and happier customers. You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need a big team. You just need 1 hour and the right tool. Want a step-by-step chatbot setup guide? Download my free PDF in the description and let me know in the comments. What kind of chatbot do you want for your business? Bookings, support, or sales? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tools made simple, right here on AI for Small Business Owners. See you next time.